Hi Darkroom Core users, Eugene here with Darkroom Software. In this quick video, we're going to go over using HTML within the emails that you send to your clients as a package. So rather than receiving the enjoy your photos or your photo order as simple text, we're going to go ahead and take some sample HTML code, edit it just a little bit, and then put it into Darkroom Core. Let's go ahead and get started so you can see what I'm talking about. If you go to darkroomsupport.com and type in HTML, you should pull up a page similar to this one. This one's Booth, but the page, you'll see one for Core as well. We'll scroll down, and what we're going to do is try to, we're going to take this sample, edit it, and then put it into Core. Let's go ahead and click download. And I've already actually downloaded it. I have in this folder right over here. What we're going to do next is make a couple copies. The first copy is going to be our editing version, and that's so we can always go back to the original if we accidentally delete something or save over something that we didn't want to. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to change the file extension to HTML because after all, a web page is just a text document with a different extension that allows a web browser to view it and also your email client. So we're going to go ahead and change it to preview.html so we can see essentially what is inside this text file. We have a few links, we have some text, we have a logo, and what we're going to do is change some of this, the actual verbiage, update the links, and you can update your the logo, or you can remove it. Let's go ahead and open up the text document so it kind of matches up. So right here we have the actual background. If you go back to this page, if you scroll down just a little bit, we have additional backgrounds. I can see here's the red version, but there's also a blue and a teal version. So first thing we'll do is change the background graphic that we're using. The next thing we'll do is look at the logo. We can see here's the actual file. It's linking to our website. So if you update this file with your own logo, you'll want to make it the graphic 1,000 pixels wide by 120 pixels tall, and upload it to a host somewhere that's hosted, and then replace this URL or image source, and make sure you also update the link to your website. Just to keep things a little bit simpler, let's just go ahead and just remove that whole logo. And rather than saying stopping by the booth, let's just change it to thanks for stopping by. And so we've changed the background color, removed the logo, took out our booth. Next thing we're going to do is let's change the links. So if you click on this, it'll send an email link. If you click on this, it'll go to Facebook. Let's find the email link, and I'm going to change it from the support email address to mine. And we don't need to change the graphic, but we could if we wanted to. If you had a different graphic to use for that button, you can do that. There's the phone number, so you can update that with your own phone number. Here's Facebook. Let's go to Facebook right here, copy that URL, update there, and then we do the same thing for Instagram, Twitter, and also the actual homepage, which would be this web link right here. So we'll go ahead and save this, and so we can see what we've done. We're going to copy and paste the text document that we just saved and then change it to HTML. And if we open it now, it's now the updated version, no logo. The text has been edited. Oh, if let's say you didn't want to have Twitter and Instagram, let's go ahead and just remove those. We're gonna go right here. There they are. And save. Go ahead and close these two. Delete that because we don't need it anymore. Copy and paste. HTML. Now when we open it, Twitter and Instagram have been removed. So once you have it looking the way you want to inside your preview, go over to your text document, Control A to select all, Control C to copy, pull up Darkroom, and then go to your email package, click message, HTML, and paste that in, and then click OK. So now when you send an email, it will look like this. I hope this has been helpful. Before we go, let's go ahead and look at a couple more assets that are included. So there are the two different samples that you can use and edit. There are some backgrounds that you can swap out with. So if you like one style but you want to be able to change the background, you can do that. And then there's also some buttons that we used here that we're also just kind of allowing you to use. Or if you want to design an HTML email from scratch, you can feel free to use these hosted images, or you can download them and host them on your own website if you'd like to as well. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.